Yeah, time to do that morning creek cold plunge before church, getting baptized right before church. That's what we do. Quick 3-minute one, so we're running out low on time. Give it to me though. Woo! Woo! Right there! Woo! Woo! That's what we do. Come on, give it to me. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, right there. Woo! Sir, come on now. That's shredded. Woo! Yes, sir. Feels too good. Give it to me. Yep, that's what we do, guys. How you shred the abs, this is how you recover the body. Feel good and look good. So, guys, we conquer today, go execute today, have a blessed day. Go to church today, get that workout today, eat that animal-based carnivore diet meal today. Go get that workout, hit that cold plunge, get out in nature, go for that nature walk. Yes, sir. Connect with God today. Let's go. Hey guys, this is my 3-minute timer, over 3-minute timer. Tuck that head back under, give it to me. Woo! Yeah. More cold plunge, it's different, y'all. Woo! Getting colder and colder. Ooh, shoot. Feels too good though. Gets the body on point, recovers the body good. Oh yeah, it feels too good, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Go get a cold plunge every morning. Let's go.